Unit 6. Shopping.
Getting served.
1. A shop assistant asks if you need any help. How do you say no?
No thanks, I'm just looking.
2. You like a watch that's in the shop window. What do you ask?
Could I have a look at one of the watches in the window, please?
3. You want to look at a camera that costs £90. Ask the assistant.
Could you show me that camera, please? The one that costs £90.
4. You want a black and white film, but you can't see any. What do you ask?
Excuse me, do you have any black and white films?
5. The assistant goes to look, and another assistant asks if you need any help. What do you say?
I'm being served, thanks. Deciding.
6. An assistant shows you a Walkman that's nice but too expensive. What do you say?
It's nice, but it's beyond my price range. Do you have anything a bit cheaper?
7. You're not sure whether to buy something. What could you say to the assistant?
I can't decide. Perhaps I'll go away and think about it.
8. You want to know if you can return something later if you don't want it. What do you ask?
Can I bring it back and get a refund if it's not all right?
9. What do you say when you decide to buy something?
OK, I'll take it.
10. You decide you don't want to buy something the assistant has shown you. What do you say?
I think I'll leave it. Thanks anyway. The clothes shop.
11. You like a jumper but don't know if it's the right size. What do you ask?
Could I try this jumper on, please?
12. It's not big enough. What do you say?
It's too small. Do you have it in a larger size?
13. You like some trousers, but they're black and you want green ones. What do you ask?
Excuse me, do you have these trousers in green?
14. The assistant finds some green ones with a pattern which you don't want. What do you say?
I don't like the pattern very much. Do you have any in plain green?
15. The green is too light for you. What do you say?
I'm not sure about the colour. Do you have them in a darker shade?
16. You like their raincoats, but they've just sold the last one in your size. What do you ask?
Will you be getting any more in?
17. You look at a jacket and want to know what the material is. What do you ask?
What's it made of?
18. You want to know if you can wear the jacket in heavy rain. What do you ask?
Is it waterproof?
19. How do you ask if you can wash it in a washing machine?
Is it machine washable?
20. You'd like to buy it, but the sleeves are too long. What do you say?
The sleeves are too long. Would it be possible to have them altered? The bookshop.
21. You want a book by a Spanish writer, but don't know the name of it in English. What do you say?
I wonder if you could help me. I'm looking for a book by a Spanish writer, but I don't know the title in English.
"22. The assistant finds the title. What do you ask?
Do you have a copy in stock?
23. They don't have any. What do you ask?
Could you order one for me?
24. Ask how long you'll have to wait.
How long will it take to arrive?
25. The assistant has helped you a lot. What do you say as you leave?
Thank you. You've been very helpful. The photo shop.
26. What do you say when you take your film into the shop?
Could I have this film developed, please?
27. How do you ask for some extra pictures a week later?
Could I have some copies made from these negatives, please?
28. You'd like 2 copies of each picture. What do you ask?
Could I have 2 prints of each negative, please?
29. How do you ask for bigger copies of some photos?
Could I have these photos enlarged, please?
30. Ask how long it will take.
When will they be ready? Paying.
31. There's no price on something. What do you ask the assistant?
How much is this?
32. Ask if students can get a lower price.
Do you offer discounts for students?
33. Ask if you can pay by Visa card.
Do you take Visa?
34. You buy something for 40p and you only have a £20 note. What do you say?
I'm sorry, I haven't got anything smaller.
35. You buy 2 things and the assistant asks if you want anything else. How do you say no?
No, that's all, thanks. Problems.
36. You pay for something and the assistant doesn't give you enough money back. What do you say?
Excuse me, I think you've given me the wrong change.
37. Someone gave you a t-shirt that's too big. What do you say when you take it back?
Excuse me, this was a present and it's too big. Could I change it for a smaller one?
38. The watch you bought last week doesn't work. What do you say to the assistant?
Excuse me, I bought this watch here last week, and there's something wrong with it.
39. Ask for your money back.
I'd like a refund, please.
40. What do you say when you give her the piece of paper to prove that you bought it there?
Here's the receipt.